Thanks for your valuable time shared with us, Sarkar Nakuri Express. Here you can get regular verified job updates. In this video, we are going to see the recruitment process taking place in Bharat Electronics, which is an Navratna company coming under Ministry of Defense. So in this recruitment, we are going to see a permanent recruitment. The technical qualification needed for this recruitment is BE, BTech and ME, MTech candidates. So by watching the video, you will get to know about the details of total vacancies which have been called for the particular post and how much the salary will be paid. So it is around 1,60,000 to 1,80,000, differs according to the various posts called for the interview process. And what will be the age criteria limit? It is, so the upper age limit is 32 and 36 for the various posts called for, along with the relaxations given. And the mode of selection would be taken place through the process of a written test and then followed by the interview process. Those candidates who are passing the written test will be called for the interview process, and then the candidates will be get selected. And the application fee for this recruitment fee was 750 rupees, and it has to be paid in online mode only. And the application mode was in offline, so kindly make a note of it. So application mode was in offline, but the fees has to be paid in online mode only. So without further delay, let's get into the details of the recruitment process. As I said before, this is a permanent recruitment basis. So this is happening for a senior engineer post as well as deputy manager post. So the BE, BTech and ME, MTech candidates are being eligible for this recruitment process. The total number of vacancies for this post are totally 11 vacancies. For senior engineer, it is about 9 vacancies, and for deputy manager, it was about 2 vacancies. So the upper age limit for the senior engineer is about 32 years, and the deputy manager, the upper age limit was 36 years, and the relaxation has been given. So we will see in a further little bit of time. So the salary paid for the senior engineer was about 50,000 to 1,60,000. Apart from that, other allowances will be provided, and the deputy manager will have the salary up to 1,80,000 with other allowances. The essential qualification required for the recruitment was BE, BTech and ME, MTech. So this is both for the senior engineer post as well as the deputy manager post. So on the subject specific streams have been mentioned here, kindly get through it. And we discussed previously the age relaxation has been given. So it is about 3 years for OBC candidates and 5 years for SC/ST candidates and 10 years for the PWD candidates. So the relevant post qualification experience needed as on date of 1/11/2021, that is November 2021, you need to have a minimum 4 years of experience for the post of senior engineer when you have completed the UG courses. If you are a PG candidate, that is ME, MTech candidate, then you need to have only 2 years of experience after the post qualification of your graduation. So when it comes to deputy manager, you need to have minimum 8 years of experience with the post qualification of UG, and with a minimum of 6 years of experience with the post qualification of PG degree in engineering. So the technical qualifications for the subjective matters have been detailedly given here. Kindly make a note of it. I will attach this PDF in the description box, so you can download it. So the mode of selection will be written test followed by the interview, and the fee payment for the recruitment was rupees 750. You have to pay through the SBI online mode. So for SC, ST and PWD candidates, the fees has been exempted. So all other candidates has to pay 750 rupees. So the important general instruction here was, so the cutoff date for the experience as well as the age criteria will be considered the November 1st of this year will be the cutoff date. So the application moves what in offline, but the fee has to be paid in online as we discussed previously. So the application has to send to this particular address before 8th of December. So kindly make a note of it, and as soon as possible apply the application with all the attachment which is needed for this recruitment. So thanks for watching. Kindly share the video with your friends who is in need of job with the required qualification.